All right, my growth mindset math maniac Panthers. Here we go. Lesson point 4.08, or if you're going to read that as a number properly, you would say 4 and 8. Is it 8 tenths? Is it 800ths? Or is it 8 thousandths? 4 and 800ths. That's not our lesson today. It's interactive video on coordinate planes. Let's go. I could name the location of an ordered pair, quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4, whether it's the x or y axis and whether it's on the origin. Where is the origin? Let's go find out. The y flies high to the sky. This is vertical. Or you can do it like that. Vertical, vertical. Okay, well, that's not vertical. That's horizontal. That's horizontal. The x relaxes on the ground. Horizontal. So now we got the x and y axis. Let's go for a quick check. All right, welcome back. Hope you did all right on that. Let's see. I can name the location order pair of the x and y axis. The y flies high to the sky. The x is on the ground, going left to right, horizontal, vertical y, horizontal x. Let's get into the quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. Think of the word quad. If you are from Boston, you might say a quadra. Can I borrow a quadra? A quadra? Nah, they don't talk like that, do they? I'm doing a terrible injustice to their speaking. I apologize. I have great reverence for their dialect. But in the meantime, quad, like a quarter, it's a fourth. And direction-wise, because we're going to start one place, we're going to go counterclockwise, the opposite way of a clock. So here's the way the clock goes, tick-tock, tick-tock. Here's the way the opposite of a clock goes, counter that clockwise. So, which one of these is counterclockwise? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. If you said B, you got it. Let's go. So what are the quadrants? Starting here in this one, right here, that's quadrant 1. That's Roman numeral for 1. This one, going counterclockwise, is 2. Roman numeral for 2. 3. A 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock rock. And 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock rock. We're going to rock around the clock tonight. Well, the clock strikes 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're not going to go anymore. We're going to stop rocking around the clock. Okay, I won't quit my day job. Boom. Quick check. All right. Welcome back. How do we do on the quick check? This is quadrant. Get the pen. Get the hook is what my mother-in-law always says. Quadrant 1, rock around the clock, counterclockwise. Quadrant 2. Quadrant 1, rock around the clock. 2, rock around the clock. 3, rock around the clock. 4. Yeah, that's how you make the Roman number 4, because that's 5, and if you got the 1 over here, minus 1, that means 4. Yeah, anyway, this is quadrant 4. Ooh, and quadrant 1. Quadrant, see, 1, 2, a 3, a 4. Counterclockwise. Origin. Now we got some new material. Where's the origin? There it is. Ooh, there it is. The origin on here. Where everything begins. The origin. Boom. Now where's the origin on here? Oh, it's the crosshairs. Boom. It's like a target right where they meet. 0, 0 is the coordinate of the origin if anybody asks you. Hint. Wink, wink, nod, nod. So what's this called? Yeah. Plotting coordinates is easy as your ABCs. All right, what do I mean by that? What comes first in the alphabet? X or Y? You gotta think about it. Just go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Uh-oh, what comes next? X, Y, Z. If you know your ABCs, you know your X, Y, Zs. X is first. Quick check. Oh, bring it back. So, did you get the name of this thing right here? Origin. Oh, let's write it. Origin. O-R-I-G-I-N. The original place where things be. I am the original G. I'm the original H, Hoffman. The original H, the Hoff. The original Hoff. The Hoffer. The Hoffenstein. The Hoffmeister. The Hofferama. Hoff enough. That's enough Hoff. And Hoff enough. That's the original Hoff enough. Had enough, Hoff. Okay, ABCD, what comes first? And you guessed it, X. All right, so now we got some new material. We're gonna plot around the clock tonight. First of all, this is quadrant 1. Everybody knows that, right? I hope. What quadrant is this? Yeah, you guessed it too. What about this one? 3, and this one, 4. Okay, that's just a quick review. but we're really here is to figure out what's the coordinate of this point A. Well, we always do the X first. Get my blue. Blue, blue, blue pen, X, then red pen, Y. And I'm just going to put that red there. So, which is first? Now let's see if we line these things up. See, if I go this way, it's on the 2 here. It's on the 2X. It's on the 3Y. But normally you start from the origin, by the way. This is how we learned it in 5th grade. And you're like an airplane. You take off, and then you go up. So first you go sideways horizontal. The airplanes go like this. Then they go up. So it's 2, comma, and then 3. Yeah, see the X blue? Okay, next one. Ooh, go down the runway. 3, the blue is X. So we're going to do blue first. X, Y, back to blue. My blue here is 3, and my Y is 2. The coordinate for this one, for B, is 3, 2. Where the coordinate for A, remember, was 2, 3. Interesting. Okay. You try one. All right, welcome back. How'd you do? I know you did awesome. You always awesome. You're pawsome. Get it? Pawsome. Yeah. Okay. Where are we here? Did you get 4, 3? Although I'm using this color, I really should be color coding this. This 4 is on the X because it's X, right? The 3 is on the Y right there, right? And I'll go back to blue. There's my 4. There, that is so much better. You can see there that the A goes with the 4 and the X, and you can see there that the A goes with the 3 on the Y. X, Y, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now here's some tricky stuff, getting some negatives. Yeah, so dig a hole, fill in the hole. Dig a hole, negative, fill in the hole, positive. Make a mound, make a hill, positive, more positive. Make a really big mountain, that's a lot of positive. Make a really deep hole, that's a whole lot of negative. Okay, so without further ado, go to my colors. We'll start with blue. This is we kind of already did this, right? So it's X, Y, X, Y. X is 2. Y is 3. That's the coordinate for this A. What about this B? We got to start with X. Now we're going in negative zone. Is 2, negative 2. And the Y is still 3. What about down yonder with C, going down under? From the land down under. I'll throw some shrimp on the barbie for ya. Oh, yes. Okay, all right. Not the best accent again either. I'll work on that. Okay, anyway, we got negative 2, so we still blue. So this is negative 2 on blue. Hut, hut, hike. Oh, can't help it myself. Now we're going red. Red is, red said Fred, right said Fred? No, negative 3. So our Y is negative 3, right? Y, X. MICKEYMOUSE XYZ ABC. Graphing coordinates is so easy. Okay, here we go. And this is 2. D hut hut 2. And what's the Y? What's the Y on this? What is the Y on this? 3. You know, if these were like light rays and they were like running into each other, like if you go 2 would run into the A with red here, and what color would that make? What color does red and blue make when they hit each other, when they come together as light? Actually, I don't know if it works for light that way necessarily. It does work for paint. This is the best purple I have. Purple. Come on, pen. Purple. That's not really purple at all, is it? It looks red. You know what? This looks like a nice starry purple right here. It's got some purple in it. Boom, boom, boom. And I'll cut this part out of the video. You try some. Hey, how did you do? Welcome back. I know you did awesome. So what do we got here? Let's do quick. I mean, colors. I'm just going to keep the colors the same because you guys are advanced. You're sophisticated. You can handle that getting past the color codedness of it all, right? So we go 3 and 2. X comes first, 3, 2. This one is -3 and 2. This one is -3 and -2. This one is 3 and -2. Do you guys see a pattern here? Whenever anything is whenever you got a point in that first quadrant, it's positive, positive. Have you noticed that? Whenever you got something in that second quadrant, well, let's put first quadrant here. Whenever you got something in that second quadrant, it's negative, positive. Whenever you got something in that third quadrant, oh man, they're way down under there. Negative. A lot of negativity I feel from them. We gotta work on it. Get some absolute values in there. You know what I'm saying? Bring some positivity in their world. But in the meantime, that's a negative negative in that third quadrant. And how about the fourth quadrant? What's going on there? They're positive and negative, but first positive, then negative. Kind of just the opposite of the quadrant 2 world. And you notice, oh, look at here, another diagonal. That quadrant 3 is the opposite of quadrant 1 world. What do you know? We know some opposite universes here. Reverse universes all over the world, all over the universe. Wait, can you have a reverse universe within a universe? Or do you have, this is getting too deep. I think you guys got this. Pride, passion, purpose, peace out, Panthers.